Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Gulf Food 2021 opens in Dubai. Gulf Food 2021 kicks off today at the Dubai World Trade Center with the participation of 2050 companies from 85 countries, including some of the most prominent brands from F&B sectors. Non-customs paid vehicles worth over 11 billion rupees seized in July 2020 to January 21. 35 billion rupees worth of smuggled items were seized during July to January 2020 and 21, as against 22 billion rupees worth of such items confiscated during last year's corresponding period. Facebook takes down the main page of Myanmar military. Facebook deleted the main page of Myanmar military under its standards prohibiting the incitement of violence, the company said a day after two protesters were killed when police opened fire at the demonstration against 1st February coup. Gold price rises in the domestic market. The per tola gold registered an increase of 550 rupees to 1,10,300 rupees in the domestic market. Straw biryani viral bizarre recipe has baffled foodies. A man in Islamabad came up with a bizarre food combination biryani garnished with strawberries. Man's body found. Body of a young man was found from the deserted place in the area of Sargodha Police Station Road. Qalandar's lock horns with Zalmi Sultans to face United in PSL's Season 6 first double-header. After a one-sided affair between Karachi King and Quetta Gladiators on opening day, the National Stadium will host first double-header of the Pakistan Super League Season 6. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.